Hey, good afternoon. This is Riley from McNaught, and I'd like to show you our insane 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport. This thing's fully custom, and it came into us on trade with just over 20,000 kilometers on it. So not only does this thing have a clean title, meaning it's never been in an accident before, but it's also certified pre-owned, meaning you've got plenty of warranty front to back when you buy this truck. Now under the hood, you're going to find a 5.7 Hemi engine pushing plenty of power to all four wheels. And talking about those wheels, let's take a look. These are 35-inch off-road tires, and you've got the 17-inch XD series rims. Absolutely insane mud tires here. Look at this. Plenty of tread left on those. They're brand new. Now you do have the fender flares here installed because of the width of those tires. You've got the side steps on there as well. 6-inch lift on this truck. Plenty of ground clearance to get any off-roading done without issue. A couple other things I want to mention. You've got the K&N Cold Air Intake underneath the hood. Mud flaps, of course, and a MBRP dual exhaust system for an amazing sound. Now you're probably interested in what this thing sounds like, so I'm going to fire it up here using the remote start. Hit that lock button once, double tap the remote start button. There you go. How's that for a cold start? A couple other features on the back end here. You do have the spray-in box liner, of course. And let's hop on inside. So now I've taken a seat inside the Dodge Ram, and take a look at this ground clearance. Absolutely amazing. The height that you're going to have from sitting in the driver's seat. Now on the driver's door panel, you've got your auto one touchdown windows, power adjustable mirrors, and your light controls. On the steering wheel itself, towards the left-hand side, you've got your hands-free calling button, as well as these buttons that are going to configure your LCD display that has your digital dash, your fuel economy, and radio information displayed right in front of you. You've got your cruise controls to the right-hand side, as well as your manual gear selection. Now let's take a look at the 8.4-inch Uconnect system. What a great, intuitive computer system you've got here on the front dash. Bluetooth for phone pairing. You've got auxiliary, USB, SD. All of the connection options you'd expect, as well as Sirius XM radio, which is going to come standard for 3 months. Access to extra apps, as well as you don't have navigation on here, but you've got access to all your vehicle settings, as well as your backup camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel. You've got basically everything right here in front of you on the system. Hard radio controls and climate controls located just below that. You've got your digital gear selector, so basically put your foot on the brake and you're able to shift into reverse or drive by turning the dial. Really easy to use. Just below that, you're going to find your 4x4 controls. You've got auto, two-wheel drive, 4 low, and lock, of course. Your trailer brake controller is going to be located just next to that, as well as your tow and haul mode, and your hard heated seats and heated steering wheel buttons. Now last but not least, you do have a 115-volt AC outlet to plug in a laptop if that's what you need, as well as inside your armrest you're going to find a couple more USB ports, and you've also got plenty of storage down here to fit whatever you need. Now heading on up, this is an auto dimming mirror. You've got the garage door transmitters right here on the ceiling, as well as your power opening rear window. Now let's take a look into the back seat of this truck. Now in case you're wondering, is there room here for the rest of my family? Yes, there is. You've got plenty of leg room. This is a crew cab, so you can expect very comfortable back seats. You've got the armrest with the cup holders, but you could seat up to 5 adult passengers without an issue. DC charge outlet in the back, as well as climate vents to stay nice and comfortable. Now allow me to take one more good look around this truck, and I'm going to invite you over to come take a look at this machine for yourself. It's absolutely incredible. This is a one-of-a-kind truck. All the work's been done to it already, and remember, it was done by our certified technicians, so you could expect the same great quality from any other certified pre-owned vehicle. Look at these tires. You definitely can't go wrong with this truck if you're in the market for a big, bold pickup truck.